Hey folks, TJ again. Today we're going to do a little project again on the 2008 Harley Davidson Night Train FXSTB, and I've got a K&N intake for it. It's the model number RK-3953. So I've already got my Vance & Hines exhaust in, and now I've got a good intake, and then I can start setting up my map using the Fuel Pack FP3. So let's go get that intake installed. First thing we gotta do is get this air filter off. And yes, I've already replaced this one with the K&N, but I got this one that I'm gonna be putting on because it'll get a lot more airflow. So you can see the most airflow you get. Well, let me get this off of here. I need to get that. So to pull the air filter off, it's a 5/16 Allen, and to pull the filter itself off, let's look at, looks like a T30 maybe. Let's find out. Nope, too big. T30's too big. That means we'll go with the T27. And that's it. Alright, so T27 to pull this off. Oh, that's a long bolt. Alright. Alright, now this has two hoses attached to the back of it, so you're going to pull those off. Lay that off to the side. And now we got to get this plate off. How does it come off? Looks like, let's try a 7/16. Yep, that's what it is, 7/16. Those were on there. Let's get the extension off, get a little better grip. Man, that is on there. There we go. Oop, knuckle buster. That did not want to come off. Alright, that should just pop off now. Let's find out. I don't see any other. Yep, it just pops right off. Wait, there's a hose or something. Oh, that's the gasket. There's a gasket holding it on. So we'll need to get a gasket scraper on that. Clean that up a little bit. Alright, we're ready to put the new one on. Let me get something to get that gasket off there first. Just using a razor blade scraper. Nice and easy, you don't want to gouge it. And I'm pushing it away from the intake so it doesn't accidentally get down in there. Alright, we got the gasket off. I'll run a little bit of sandpaper around that just to make sure it's all gone. Okay, now we're ready to put the new air cleaner on. Alright, there's the new air filter. Finally came in. There's the filter, there's the back plate. And here's all the hardware that goes with it. And a Canon sticker and installation instructions, it looks like. But we're not going to need those, I don't think. Came with blue Loctite even, that's nice. Okay. Let's see. Comes with the, looks like a sticker and some data. Looks like it's adding 4 horsepower, 7 foot-pounds of torque. And that's not including my exhaust, so I should be getting pretty good numbers once I get this installed. Alright, here's the instructions. It tells you to take off the old one and install the velocity stack. Which goes here. Oh, goes all the way through, okay. Goes all the way through. Back. No. Spin it until the bolt holes match up, I guess. It doesn't look like they match up there that well. There we go. Now we get the bolt holes matched up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, what's the next step? Install the remaining 2 O-rings. Wait, remaining? There's step 8. Jump straight to step 9. Step 7. Goes to step 7 to step 9. Install the remaining 2 O-rings. I don't know where the, I guess they go here. These instructions are crap. I like how it comes with its own blue Loctite. Okay, now we got it all ready to go. Alright, those two are done. Now let's get these put in. What size are they? They're the same? Yeah, 5/32. So. Okay. There we go. We got them all started. Alright, I'm going to use a 5/16 for these. We're going to get them all snugged up, then we'll get all the bolts around the velocity tube done also. Here we go. All right. Now the rest is just put the filter on. All right, making progress. And we just put the cover on, we're done. Alright, we're done with the install. I'm not ready to take it out for a ride just yet. I don't have time. I've got too many other things going on. But that's what it looks like. And I think I'm going to get a lot better airflow now, which should increase some horsepower and some torque. Alright, there it is. That's the install. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not complaining, especially with the Canon, or I'm sorry, the Vance & Hines Big Shots. Let me start it up real quick and see if we can see what it sounds like. Sounds much louder than stock now, that's for sure. Alright, doesn't look like... Wow, there's a huge lizard. Where'd that guy come from? What the... We don't see lizards. That's Ohio. Where'd a lizard come from? Did y'all see that? I'm wondering if I got it on camera now. It was a big lizard. Anyway. Yeah, so that's what the Canon air filter looks like on there. I like it. Again, I'm not big on having badges on things. I wish that wasn't there. I wish they would have just continued the lines through. But again, one of those things I'll just have to live with. I may replace that at some point just for that just because of that. I may actually replace that whole piece. So we'll see. We will see. But no, I think it looks great. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever as far as looks go. And seems to work well with the Canon, or I did it again, the Vance & Hines pipes. Now all I need to do is get it out on the road and get my fuel pack FP3 working and get the mapping redone on it. Well, there it is, folks. Nice and installed, pretty easy, not too hard. The instructions are crap. I don't even know why they include them. I had to figure out how to get the thing installed myself, so yeah. So I hope what I did gives you some ideas as to what's going on, but there's no way I could cover everything and film the video. It was just impossible. So if you could, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and you know, share the video if you think somebody might find this useful. I would appreciate it. I will catch you all on the next one.